The next gland is an adrenal gland. As the name says, adrenal gland means the gland that is present above the kidney. Adrenal gland can be divided into two parts. One is the adrenal cortex, that is the outside part, and inside part is called adrenal medulla. The hormones of adrenal cortex are as follows. Hormones are called as corticoids. There are two types of corticoids. One is glucocorticoids. Glucocorticoids are involved in carbohydrate metabolism. One such glucocorticoid is cortisol. So cortisols, what they do is that they stimulate gluconeogenesis. Gluconeogenesis means producing glucose from sources other than carbohydrates like proteins and lipids. So whenever there is stress, usually cortisol is produced when there is stress situations. So glucose is required at that time. Even from the proteins and lipids, glucose will be synthesized. So at that time, the lipids will be broken down, that is called lipolysis. Proteins will be broken down, so it's called as proteolysis. And one more function for the cortisol is that it suppresses immune response. It suppresses immune response. And apart from that, the adrenal cortex also produce small amounts of androgenic steroids in both male as well as female, and that steroid hormones can produce the axial hair, that is armpit hair, pubic hair, facial hair during the puberty time. Now the other type of corticoids are mineralocorticoids. Mineralocorticoids are involved in balance of water and minerals. Like for example aldosterone. Aldosterone helps in sodium water reabsorption in the kidneys. That will result in increase in glomerular filtration rate. So that is mineralocorticoids. Glucocorticoids, example cortisol. Mineralocorticoids, example aldosterone. Now the hormones of adrenal medulla. Medulla means the inner part of the adrenal gland. Adrenal medulla produces two hormones. One is adrenaline and noradrenaline, also called as epinephrine, norepinephrine. They are also called as fight or flight hormones because they are produced during stress. So whenever the stress situations are created, blood needs glucose because they need more energy to combat the stress. That causes an increase in heartbeat, sweating, increase in blood glucose, and that too the glucose is getting converted from glycogen in liver. So these are the adrenal gland hormones. Adrenal cortex produces hormones called corticoids, and then adrenal medulla produces hormones like adrenaline and noradrenaline.